Good morning, YouTube. Today, we're going to take the Ferrari Testarossa over to Eurocharged ATX. We're going to run it on the dyno, and we're going to see what sort of horsepower it produces, which, I mean, it's going to be probably disappointing, but that's okay because the car is over 30 years old. So the factory spec says 385 horsepower. Probably a little bit tired because, 30 years have gone by, so let's just say it's maybe 375, and then you got parasitic loss from the transmission and stuff. So it's probably going to be less than 300 horsepower at the wheels, which, hey, that'd be all right. Let's go over to Eurocharged ATX, see what she does.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
Let's get a cold start of a 1987 Ferrari Testarossa with a 2B muffler. Good Lord, it just looks so good everywhere it goes. Oh, such a beautiful car. Man, driving this car is just such an experience. Every time you get in this car, it's an event. It's just absolutely insane. Just everything about it, the shifting, the gated shifting, the clutch, the steering, just fantastic, man. Hey, look at this car's here. Sweet. I need an exhaust so bad.
Oh, you gotta put that.
Such a good car. Alright, here we are once again at Eurocharged, getting another car dynoed. What do you guys think? What is it going to do? So stock is 385. Realistically, maybe it's doing 375 because it's 32 years old. Parasitic loss. Yeah, I'm going to say 300. I will be extremely happy if we can break 300. What do you think? Put your comment below before you watch it. Tim, what's it going to be?
More than mine.
More than yours. Todd, what's your number?
Let's see. I'm gonna say 295.
295.
Just
All
under
right.
300, just because the car's age.
Yeah. And it's old. 32
It
years
is
old.
but respectable.
Yeah, all right. That'd be nice.
295.
I'll take 295. 300 would be great.
325.
No way.
327.
Yeah, it's not gonna be 327.
385?
Oh, 385.
385 is the factory.
I didn't know it was 385.
At the crank.
I thought it was 335.
No, 385.
Oh, 385.
Go
15%.
310.
310? All right.
Track by 295.
Okay,
because
we got
I
a
didn't know it was
revision.
385. So I'm gonna say 320.
320. All right. That was. I'm still sticking to 300. I'll be happy with 300 or above. There's right there. Straight Miami Vice. Yeah. Oh, there he is. Woo! Made that white blazer, man. All right. Getting ready to rock and roll. You look comfy.
This is the best seat in the house.
Best seat in the house. Yeah, I can stare right at it. Dude, 320. 320. 319. Yeah. That's, yeah.
Dude, that's almost. Glorious.
Yeah, you did really good. I'm very happy with that. Very happy. Yeah, that's good. Perfect.
Yeah, I would say that's.
I was a junior in high school when this car was made.
For an old mechanical injection like this, that's plenty good. 321. And based on the computation, so if you do like an 18% loss, what was 18%? So 385 stock horsepower, 15% loss would be a 327. 18% is, hold on.
385 times 315.7. So you're
right
above
there.
that. Yeah,
right.
you're right on there.
Saying based on my senior picture, I need to drive this car. Because I had the worst mullet ever.
Oh my God. Good looking car. You know, it's funny is I used to dislike the Testarossa design for about a decade, and now it came back and now I love it again. Yeah. 321 at the wheels, so did way better than I expected. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more tired than that, but damn, that's like really close to what it should actually put down from the factory, which is very impressive. We got ourselves a strong running Testarossa. Can't wait to see what it does after the major when it's all finished up and has new spark plugs and new everything, so should do even better, we hope. Plus, we might do a little bit of trickiness stuff to it, maybe a little tune it, but nothing crazy. We're not gonna go crazy, all right? Not like we did with Tim's car. We're just gonna keep it pretty calm. Pretty soon, we're gonna start wrenching on this thing, so the engine's gonna be coming out. That's the next thing we're planning to do to it. Obviously, you guys are gonna wanna see that, so we're gonna have a whole series on it. I'm gonna guess probably like 15, 20 videos, something like that. It's gonna be a long journey. Lots of cool stuff, so you guys are gonna wanna stay tuned, you're gonna wanna subscribe, hit the notification bell so when these videos come out, you guys can come watch them and see all the cool stuff we're doing. So I appreciate you guys for watching and subscribing. Thank you very much. That's what keeps me motivated is when you guys are awesome people like you are and make your cool comments. We're gonna be doing a lot of car stuff. You guys are definitely gonna wanna stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.